Here's the thing, fellas. We got this piece and this piece. The squash buckler. That's what we're going to call it. And this is the mounting majig. That goes right on in there like that. And this goes in and out, in and out, in and out. You know the drill. And I busted off this little piece here that the spring hooks up to. If that ain't a bag of suck, I don't know what is. I mean, because that there is a bag of suck and a half. So I gotta figure out a way to make this Mahoolan album gobble some kind of work again with the spring. How do I do that? How? Damn it. I think all I can do is tap a hole in there. Tappy, tappy. I'm gonna grind a little flat spot on there. Close enough! Then we're gonna put her over here in the Miami Vice. Why Miami Vice? Because it came from Miami. Boys, I'm telling you. Yeah, don't tighten it too much. It might frickin' crack. Keyword, frickin'. Who stole my drill? I know I had one here somewhere. There it is. Alright. 5:30 seconds, yada yada yada, blah blah blah. Drill some holes. Hey, dude. Why don't you mark it, punch it, lunch it, something with it? I ain't got time for that. Yes, I went all the way through. Got a problem with that? Talk to your mom. Alright, 3 hours later, I found the tap. And get it somewhat straight and it'll figure the rest out by itself. It's just the way these things work. And yeah, use some squirty liquid in there or some pasty gobbledygook. Or you just drive it straight in and not worry about it, like me. Might be asking, hey, why is your voice got the bolt sticking out the backside? It's because the manufacturer put these tiny little bolts in there that broke off and everything was all shlamata loose. So I had to make it bigger, tap it all the way through, put some real bolts in there that you can put some torque on. That's why. I want the screw to potentially not have thread right to the end. So it has to kind of bottom out on threads that aren't there. Piece of crap. Yeah, she's getting freaking tight. Bottoming out on something where there's no thread. Now our spring will hook up on there. Yeah, the spring will, because I broke that piece off, which still ticks me off. So it's kind of like this. Just a level of wrong like I've never had before in my life. Okay, there's just some crap in there. There. For some reason, the crap is there. It's just the way it is. Nothing you can do about it. Clean it up enough that you won't embarrass your mom. Well, there we go. Now we're going to get the piece in. Take these two and you merge them together. Just like that, she's shaking that fat. Why won't it move? Come on! What is the deal here, Parker? Come on, Quagmire. Come on, Honduras. What in the world is going on? Holy bananas. There you go. Bungee hole you there. No good nerds. All right. A bolt in there. Stay in there, Quagmire. Okay. We got something started. Probably cross-threaded, but hey, that's normal. That'd be stupid. That's what I call a bag of sucks. There, nice and tight. Look up. What is the matter with you? Oh, my hands are so dirty. All right, there we go. Take a little break. Wiping the plate. Any all off of there. Pardon? Gotta get all the all off there. Pardon? All. Gotta get the all off the plate. All. Pardon? Oil! Oil! We gotta get the oil off! That's right. Oh. Now this thing, when you stick it in, you should make sure that it's... Kidding me. What? What in the world? Why won't it fit? How did I do this? Cut! You can't fix stupid. Okay. That can't be. How the hell would I get it back on? Sack of hammers. That's impossible. Went in after the fact. Yeah, there's no way that's going in now. Well, obviously didn't do it that way.